My girl took it. How are you gonna say that? It's like Jeff Bezos got robbed by his. Like, I don't fucking care. Don't rub it in my face. Like, I can't do anything about it.
Alright, I caught him.
Ayo, what's poppin'? We're going to get our motherfucking house. We're going to get our house. We're going to see our second potential property. We already seen one, but it was unfortunately iffy. So we're gonna go ham. Right now, we got 3 properties lined up to come and take a look at. Our mission right now is manifest a 5-bedroom house. A team house for all of us so we can start going ham. Okay? You guys are about to see how we do it, okay? I don't want to hear no excuses because I don't make excuses when it's time for me to make my moves, you know what I'm saying? I go out there and do it. I go and do whatever it takes. I put my whole team on and we all grind and we all get it, you know what I'm saying? It's not one team work. I need you guys to remember that. But as of right now, deuce to no. I'm David. Sorry for being a little bit late. I'm glad. Thank you.
Okay, take care.
First one. Woo! Not bad. Our second house was alright. And you really want the view? We don't have the view, but this is a really good area. I'm pretty hype about the area. But I need my view. So I'm gonna message him and try to have him give me the rest of the property so I can see what the fuck we're gonna get. Cause I'm hyped, man. Manifesting a house is cool, man. And I'm excited to see what's gonna happen because my mind is focused on something so great. I hope that's exactly what the universe is going to deliver. But till now, I'll see you guys again in a bit. Check out this. Dope. Big. Dope. Pax logo. Whoa.
Oh shit,
Pax
it went
logo.
away.
Whoa.
It's not on there anymore.
It went black.
Weekend. Money. Weekend. Money. Weekend. Money. Whole lot of.
Is that the finished product?
Yeah, let's take it. Big pack bags, that's the old ones, baby. Give a fuck behind us. Talk fuck down us. Yo, bro, I literally just found $520.
Have a place now, I'm getting fans, nigga. All these rookies in my face, break a nigga down like a swisher sweet. Count up a check, break a bitch down, then repeat. Lay you cause your neck fire, and you cause your pussy weak. There is some Nike flops, ain't no Gucci's on my feet. I ain't got no Louis V, I ain't got no babe shit, but I be doing ape shit.
I was telling him, I was like, they were calling me a rapper. He's like, yeah, dude, it's cool. And I'm just like, nah, not that type of rapper. He's actually a rapper though, yeah? Like he's
those are the rappers we talking about.
You're the actual rapper they talk about.
Yeah, I know. Oh shit.
Kevin,
What it is?
you
want to get a warehouse and equipment? 200 grand.
Alright. So let's go. I'll have all the workers we need. Every single one.
What do you mean workers?
Every type of person that needs to work, I will have it.
Where are you gonna find these people?
Bro, I have thousands of people begging me for an opportunity.
Yeah, but you gotta find people that know how to actually use the equipment.
I filter people.
Not just
like him, like we've been in the works for a year, bro.
So, who set that up?
Me. Myself.
How'd you do that?
Just research, work,
What?
putting in work. Like staying up till 5 in the morning every day.
That doesn't mean how. I've done it many times. I know how to do it.
Yeah, so I just stayed up till 5 in the morning.
I'm saying you did everything.
My girl took it! How are you gonna say that? It's like saying Jeff Bezos got robbed by his... Like, I don't fucking care! Don't rob it, rub it in my face! Like, I can't do anything about it.
Oh yeah, caught up.
Caught up in this movie! Bro! Movie. Bro, one day, I'm gonna prove y'all motherfuckers wrong, man. This ain't no movie. I ain't no rapper. Fucking asshole. But anyways, we got a website now. Over. We going to work, baby. We just finally got connected with our clothing manufacturer. Like he just connected me to a clothing manufacturer. What just happened here is gave me a layaway to start what I've been trying to start for the past year. I've been trying to look for people to do what I wanted to do, but nobody was able to come through at time, consistency and everything else. So he just gave me the ability to actually, he pretty much gave me his people, his connection, so I can utilize it for my own business. That right there is networking. That is how you add pieces to the puzzle that other people don't have. So if you have a puzzle set and you're missing a piece of that puzzle, somebody else has that piece of the puzzle. You have to find that person and you have to work with them. You have to give to them the piece that they're missing so they can give you the piece that you're missing, just like I did it today. So
I'm sorry that no one's available to take your call right now, but if you leave your name, number, and a brief message after the tone, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks and have a great day.
Regarding just some print stuff. One of my people put me onto your guys' company and they've been getting a lot of merch through you guys. And I've been trying to develop my clothing line and find a manufacturer for all that. If you guys can just give me a call back. But yeah, so yeah, as far as that goes, Makeup Paul, you know how you were talking to that chick? She's just the representative of that. If you talk to the CEO, it's a big difference. You know? Bring him that video and be like, this is what we're talking about. You know what I'm saying? And he's gonna be like, okay, well, I want in, you know? And that's it. You can't be just a millionaire. Millionaire's average. Millionaire's average, bro. We gotta become trillionaires, G.
Yeah, there's actually quite a bit of millionaires.
Yeah. Yeah, we literally gotta go like next level motivation, next level mindset game, you know? Everybody thinks of becoming a millionaire.
Did you post that? You said something about like a millionaire club or some shit.
Yeah, Billionaire Boys Club. It's a company that exists, you know. Somebody made a Billionaire Boys Club, but I just say that and use a hashtag, you know, to show people that we are in the Billionaire Boys Club. You know what I mean? We are a part of the Billionaire Boys movement.
I think most of the things you say are lies.
Bet. Bet.
I think they're like lies in the reality world, but in this other dimensional world, this shit's really going down.
I think you're definitely capable of doing a lot of things. I think you've grown in the last year since I've seen you. But
Where's that?
you're just like, we have to go to reality.
Dude, I'm
Sometimes
trying.
we have to get to reality.
I'm trying. I don't remember what the fuck it is.
First of all, you went and cured cancer, and then you got shafted out of it.
What did it mean? What? You guys are laughing.
I have a stock certificate for.
Do you see how they all laughing at me right now? Wait for it. But the reality is how we live. Like you guys can live in a reality.
No, we
field.
live in reality.
No, we don't.
No,
We live on many different fields. You're just accepting reality. There's many different fields of motion that are happening right now. The different dimensions of space.
See, that's what's fucked up. I don't. What do you mean I accept reality? Because I grow in reality.
Yeah, but you can grow in all fields of
If you
state at
grow,
once.
if you grow in another world, and that's just cool for you.
Exactly.
Still gonna be homeless.
I'm going in all these different worlds. I'm going eight.
You have to grow in reality.
Not just reality. Reality is a this
Just
big.
set small
Reality?
goals and achieve them.
Fuck that.
And watch where you get.
Bullshit.
That's what I'm saying. We'll talk again in a year.
All right.
And we'll see exactly how you're talking about the same ass shit.
Alright, when I pull up in a
Probably
fucking
5
Tesla or
years from now,
Lambo,
it'll be the
let's
same
get
ass
it.
story.
When I have a big ass tax chain, let's get it. When I have fucking 10 watches on my shit, let's get it. Like I got this shit.
Is that when you do it?
Yep.
When you get
Right now.
chains and
I'm doing it
watches,
right
that's
now.
what makes you doing it?
No, I'm doing it right now. Bro, you gotta chill. I'm already doing it. It's not that when I'm doing it.
Where's the chains and watches?
I already have one in the house.